Imagine neurons grown in a dish mastering a video game in just a week. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Duwald. This is Sunday, March 8, 2026. Lab-grown human neurons played Doom on a microchip in a week, converting game visuals into electrical signals that guided their responses. This breakthrough by Cortical Labs marks the first biological computer you can program like code. Scientists at UT Austin and Texas AANDM grew chickpeas in lunar soil simulant with up to 75% moon dirt content. Despite its toxic metals and lack of organic matter, crops thrived, key for future lunar missions like Artemis. Hermeus pushed technology with their quarter-horse Mk 2.1 drone prototype, completing a successful subsonic flight test in a campaign targeting supersonic flight. This sets the stage for hypersonic defense aircraft. NASA's DART mission didn't just shorten asteroid Dimorphos's orbit by 32 minutes. It also shifted its trajectory around the Sun. This measure doubles asteroid deflection impact, powering planetary defense strategies. MIT engineered injectable mini liver tissue grafts that mimic real liver function. These grafts, embedded in hydrogel, integrated with blood flow and lasted 2 months in mice, offering hope for organ transplant alternatives. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Duwald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which breakthrough excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.